And finally, CENTO, which means 100. Please repeat after me. CENTO. CENTO. Multiples of 100 are simply number plus 100. For example, 200, 300, 400, and so on. So, let's try some example. 164, it's 164. 164. And how about 237? It's 237. 237. Do you want to say 781? It's 781. Ah, no, sbagliato, got you there. 80 ends with a vowel. So you need to remove the final A when it's followed by numbers like 1, 1, and 8, 8. So it's not 81, but it is 81. 81. And remember, this rule applies to all multiples of 10. So this time let's try 31. 31. 31. And now let's see the number MILLE, which means 1000. Please repeat after me. MILLE. MILLE. In the plural form, MILLE becomes MILA. So 2000 is DUEMILA. Please repeat after me. DUEMILA. DUEMILA. 3000 is TREMILA. Please repeat after me. TREMILA. TREMILA. And so on. And now, let's say the number 100,000. It is 100.000. Please repeat after me. 100.000. 100.000. So 200,000 is 200.000. 300,000 is 300.000. And so on. Finally, let's learn un milione. What do you think it is? A million. Please repeat after me. Un milione. Un milione. In the plural form, milione becomes milioni. Milioni. So 2 million is 2 milioni. Please repeat after me. 2 milioni. 2 milioni. 3 million is 3 milioni. Please repeat after me. 3 milioni. And so on. Now, you just have to combine these numbers and you'll be able to make up any number in Italian. Let's try an example. Do you want to say 1,234,567? It is 1.234.567. Please repeat after me. 1.234.567. Now that you know how to count, you can do lots of new things. You can talk about your age, ask for the time, and buy whatever you want at the Italian shops. So, enjoy counting. Ciao!